guys. Yee, cheese. Manual labor sucks, doesn't it? Gabe, quit making that face. Turd. Okay, back to work. Done for today. These trenchers suck when it comes to big rocks. They don't work at all.
Huh? What did you say about me?
I said you're a turd. Turd face. Thank you, Abby, for your hard work.
Oh, okay. I did way more work than
Yeah, but you're
she
a turd.
did. Oh, okay. I see how it is.
Now take this pipe and put it in the hole.
Yeah.
All right, let's put this in the hole and be done. Hold on, I'll take this end, and you guys set this up here. Maybe. Nope. Why would I do that? Here, Abby. You record, because I can't seem to remember to buy a tripod ever. So look through whatever's on the phone is your vision, okay? So back it up. Or actually, if you want to walk down there to the end of the pipe where Gabe's going to be. Gabe, walk down there and then get a shot of the...
So he is recording. Yes! Yes! Oh, wait. I'm being recorded.
All right, Abby, just want to take all these rocks and push them back in.
More manual labor.
All right.
Manual labor.
Shut her off, Abby. We're going to...
Can I